2017 Dodge. So we're gonna go ahead and get this fender and this light. I'm gonna change the fender. I'll fix the bumper. I'll put a new light in it. I just pulled it in probably a couple hours ago. I went and did some errands. I just got back to the shop. So we're gonna go ahead and get this knocked out, get it painted. See, it's like 10:30. I should have the fender on by 12, off and back on by 12. Get it ready for paint, and then hopefully the people will pick it up tomorrow by 12. All right, just in that little short time, I got the fender off, got the other one on, working on getting the gaps right. Slide the headlight in. So, just giving y'all a little quick update. The fender is on. About to slide the headlight in. Then get everything tightened up. And then it'll be ready for paint. I gotta fix one little ding. It's not a dent, just a little ding right here. Anyway, I gotta fix that. A couple scratches was on it, which I already took care of. There was a little scratch there, and there was a scratch here. I already fixed that. So I'll get back with y'all. Let me go ahead and try to get this knocked out. But like I said, I gotta paint it, put all the screws back in, and then it's gonna leave tomorrow. We got a little ding, a couple little scratches. I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in. Yeah, this is the paint for that vehicle. It don't match. It's like more of a pinkish orange. But anyway, so we're not gonna use it. What we're gonna do, using a spray can, I'm gonna use this to get by. All right, we're gonna go ahead and paint this with a can. The paint that I have don't match. Way off, so I need to get this job done. So we can go ahead and paint it.